Hello everyone, it is Jacob with a quick build update. I'm finally reaching the around the 1 trillion damage mark. I just wanted to share a few changes that I did for the build. I have a few main changes which I completed crafting the belt. Or not completed crafting the belt. I crafted a Dirty Tricks passive on the belt. Which allows me to swap the entire Warlock tree for Shadow Master. I will show it right here. So I crafted the dirty tricks here. I'm not going to price check it, but how do you craft it? You go to Cloud Oasis and you go to this NPC and you will need to upgrade this station a little bit to get access to the not the shop, the blending rituals, and you want access to medium balance. Give me a second. Dirty tricks. Yeah, you want access to core talents, so you need to upgrade the station a little bit. And to get access to to be able to craft this one, you will need 4 of these sandalwood incenses. Those are going for around 300 FEs each. I farmed 2 from the mechanic, and then I bought the other 2. And you will need 2 of these as well. Those are going for around 80. So it's around like 1400 FEs craft. That's like nothing crazy compared to what it takes you, what it gives you. So once you have that on the belt, you can swap the entire Warlock tree for Shadow Master, which I did here. So the Warlock tree was this one, which has the dirty tricks in it. And you are changing that to Shadow Master. To swap the entire tree, you just click reselect. The game asks you if you want to spend the Oblivion points. If you don't have the Oblivion points, you can just buy these on market trade or on marketplace, and then you click how many do you want to use and use them, and those get added to your Oblivion points pool here. Just keep in mind, if you don't have the Oblivion points, if you don't have enough Oblivion points, the game will ask you if you want to spend Jagged Primocrysts or Primocrysts to buy them. Don't make the mistake. Read what the game asks you and decline that, because you can buy the Oblivion points from Marketplace and don't spend any Primocrysts on it at all. Then you click reselect, confirm, the entire tree gets wiped, and you can choose a different one. So you pick Shadow Master, which will allow you to get another core talent, which I'm using Beyond Cure here. That's 30% additional damage, because our targets always have more than 5 build stacks. So yeah, that's a no-brainer there. And what the tree provides you with also is a bit more erosion damage, a bit more additional damage, energy shield, same as the Warlock, and a bit more build duration, and a few points of life regain. If you would like to get more damage for the cost of survivability, you would take these, and this would let you swap your plate, which I have the mod here, gain blur per 5 stacks of build. So you would not need this slate, and you could take something else on it. But for me, what this lets me do, this life regain and energy shield regain actually provides me with enough regeneration, so I can drop for start and take another buff skill, which for me, or buff, I took a second curse, for example, but yeah, if you don't have a source of +1 curse, you can choose any empower skill, really. So you could use Starstalker, for example, which would net you more damage over time, or you could use Fixate, that's also additional damage, or Mana Boil, oh, that's more spell damage. But yeah, the main two would be Starstalker and Fixate, or Blurry Step to get through maps a lot faster. So Starstalker, Fixate for damage, Blurry Step for movement speed. But for me, 2 curses, you can get a source of second curse on a candle, or how I do it, I got the Poisoned Omen. I get not everyone has it, but I do, so I use it. And that provides me with, you can cast 1 additional curse. You can get this on the slate, on the candle slot as well.
All those burned corpses.
And this combination
That are darker than the night.
with my Pact Spirit setup net me around 600 billion DPS. And what I did to get the rest is I actually upgraded my Iceland's Bounce and Iceland's Rebound. To upgrade these, you will need to buy their copies of those skills. And those are going for Iceland's. So for a rebound, you want to buy ones with tier 1 mods, and you will need 10 tier 1 skill support to upgrade the skill to level 5. And each of the levels will give you 4% additional damage. So how you filter it, you click tier 1, confirm, and search. For the rebound, those are going for around 50 FEs each, so 500 FEs to upgrade this one to level 5. And for the other one, that is Bounce Noble, Filtered Search, tier 1, again you need 10, and those are going for around 80 or 100 as well, so around 750 FEs for this. So yeah, it is not that cheap. It is around 1k FEs or 1.5k, but it is guaranteed damage gain that you get from upgrading. Once you have the skills, you will also need these. Oh, where is it? Do I have any? You will also need these inspiration essences, and you will need 500 or 600 for each skill. And those are going for 0.33 each, so for you will need around 200 FEs for these. So yeah, 1.5k upgrade to upgrade both to level 5, and that will net you 20% additional damage on each of those. So it's 40% additional damage. And that puts me to the 1 trillion mark here. I maybe did not have this either, so I got the corruption for the penetration as well. That is going for around 66. It's going for around 1k, but I corrupted them myself, so I bought like 20 bases, corrupted them myself, and got 4 and hit 4 of these corrupts, so I sold 2 for profit, and then I kept 1 with the highest roll. Yeah. Yeah, so that's my 1 trillion build. I will leave the build code in the description for the people interested in copying it. And for those people that are not interested in any gameplay, this is the end of the video for you. Thank you for watching. Consider leaving the video a like and subscribing to the channel for future upgrades. And for the people that are interested in a little bit of a gameplay, I will run a map here for you guys, just to satisfy everyone.
The sun.
So I'm still running Arcana. I will run the Arcana probably the entire season, combining it with War just to get through the maps faster.
The hermit.
And I have the 15 points in the Oasis as well to be able to farm gold for Oasis and keep the Oasis running. It's not a huge income, but sometimes they bring you the instances that you can sell for hundreds. Sometimes the flyers bring you these probes that you can sell for profit as well, if you are not planning to use them. And some of the probes actually cost like 50 or 60 FEs. So yeah, that's some sort of extra passive income which is going even while you are running maps. The only thing that you need to make sure is that you have, well, at least a little source of the gold income to keep the Oasis running, which I'm farming in pretty much every map. So as long as I'm running maps, I have an inflow of gold. And if you add a lot of like extra quantity to the map, you actually drop a lot of gold. You can drop a lot of gold because every rare monster and every magic monster have a chance to drop gold. That's not only the Oasis mech. So even the League mechanic that spawns the robots actually drops gold. So yeah, as a source of gold, that's a quick map. As I said, War with duration. I'm taking this because I'm not willing to spend 5 FEs for the compass, and the duration just because all the mechanics actually take time to do, like all the cards, you have to stay on them, you have to stay with the League mechanic, and you have to stay with the Sandlord as well. So more duration just lets me keep the War for longer. And then 15 points to guarantee the Oasis. And this is my Arcana tree. I'm taking all these points and starting the Arcana through Compass. And then I have this as well, just to farm some extra income through the Eyes. And I'm adding the Compass for Folklore as well, just so I have an extra monster there. For these large nodes, chance to find rare cards and some extra quant from this. But yeah, that is it for this update. Thanks everyone for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!